we have October, November, December. Done. Then we have further January, Feb, March, and then we have April and some portion of May. In October, November and December, although I will post a video of this 3 months ka strategy, in October, November and December, what we are expected to do, let's say if I talk about main GS, I want you to cover at least Vajra. And how many of you will close your Vajra before Diwali? Khatam ho jayega aapka Vajra. Very good. I mean excellent, marvelous, nothing can be better than this. Because then you will be free-minded, you know, sitting in the PYQs. Otherwise, those who have extended their Vajra sessions, एक दिन वज्र होगा आपका, 2 दिन PYQs है, फिर एक दिन वज्र, 2 दिन PYQs. Now what others can do, you can revise, you can make your 1-pagers. I told you, right? You will have that scope of making a 1-pagers now. एक और रिवीजन हो गया, अपग्रेड हो गई चीजें, ठीक है. So वज्र I want you to complete. Second, I want you to solve all the PYQs, right? And at least if you're given all the mains tests, it's fine, but at least 50% of the total. I'm changing my what I can say directives now, because I know अगर मैं 100% बोलूँगा तब जाके आप कहीं ना कहीं 50% टेस्ट देते हो, ठीक है. So the target is whatever are your mains test, at least 50% of them total you have to complete before December. Done. This is the short target for the mains. For the optional, first of all you have to complete level 1, then level 2, then at least level 3. What is level 1? Syllabus completion. Level 2 is summaries making. Level 3 is PYQs of 8 years in a separate copy. I won't count if you are reading the PYQs, if you are analyzing the PYQs, if you are reading any other topic copies or maybe book. No. अपने हाथ से you will use the mark sessions. Mark are decently, you know, applicable to optional also. Use mark, use the templates, write the answer, देख के लिखो. In October you have the liberty, you see the content, you write the answer. You see the content, you write the answer. And when you see the content, I mean for mains you will refer the Vajra notes. For optional you will refer level 1 and level 2 and write your answers. No Google, nothing. If the content is not there in your notes, first add it to your notes, then write the answer. ठीक है. Optional. What else? What else? This is the target of October, November, December, decent enough. See, right now I have not listed here the main GS books. If you can see, I have not listed here the main GS books. Some of you are coming again, you know, with the same query, sir. We have not read the main GS book sufficiently enough. Will the Vajra be sufficient? Understand one thing. In Vajra, we are trying to do everything holistically, but there may be some point of time where you are not able to follow some topics. Out of key, you are tired. 6 बज गए, ताला बंद हो गया. So you are tired. Now you are not able to follow those, you know, end ka 6 topics or 7 topics. I have given you the directive. You will sit in the class. Even if you are not following, sit in the class. Show that commitment. Okay? But those 6 or 7 topics, you go home, you read it from the book. The book will help you to revise it comprehensively, because in Vajra we are making the pointers, notes, which can be finally replicated in the exam sheet. But books are little bit more comprehensive, more elaborated, but in the same format. Okay? So book will try to give you the overview. So Vajra is enough. But let's say some of the topics. In October I will keep the GS decoding sessions. How many of you have already attended the GS decoding? कर रखे हैं GS decoding? Very few. अरे बाप रे. GS decoding मैंने मार्ग में भी बोला है 2-3 बार कि यार करना है आपको. GS2 decoding 6 hours का लेक्चर है. GS3 decoding 5 hours का लेक्चर है. नहीं किया? कोई बात नहीं. What we will do? We will do that lectures, those lectures, GS1 decoding, GS2 decoding, GS3 decoding live in October. So in October, these are very important lectures. Even if you are at home. See, October का ये रहता है अभी दिवाली वाले फेज का ना, गायब होना स्टार्ट होता है तुम लोग 15 तारीख से, फिर आते हो तुम 27 तारीख तक, छठ पूजा के बाद. ठीक है. So generally we also don't keep the classes, but I will try to keep the GS decoding classes in that phase, है ना. Please attend them, because these decoding classes will ensure that you are getting the pointers of your answers. Whenever you write the points now, whenever you write the points for any answer, just realize every keyword is nothing but your syllabus. Women safety, is that a syllabus? Poor representation is STEM. Do we read STEM? patriarchal mindset. Do we read patriarchal mindset? Every point is a syllabus. For example, those who have covered economy, agriculture with me. Are challenges in Indian agriculture, seed, irrigation, machinery, credit, we read all of them individually. So what I am trying to make a point is, once we are done with the GS2 decoding now, you have that framework that you can now write any of the answers. Done? So 6 hours or 5 hours की class रहती है. We decode the entire syllabus. Once we have decoded this, what you will do? See, for example, once we have decoded the GS syllabus, you will have 400 topics or maybe 500 topics in front of you. Now maybe in Vajra we have covered 370 topics or 360 topics. Can you identify which topics we have not covered? Now there will be two conditions, and I promise you, दो ही condition होंगी. Either it is available in your main GS books, or else I will cover those topics in the current affairs. That is the only thing. Nothing short, nothing more. Okay? So whatsoever topics are left in the GS2 decoding, I won't cover those topics which are there in your book. That is your responsibility to cover. Maybe 10 topics, 15 topics per paper are left. Open your books, cover those topics, complete your syllabus. Okay? Whatsoever is the current affairs, post prelims, I will take 3 day-long lectures of the mains current affairs for the Brahmastra. 3 day-long lectures will be there, where we'll wind up the current affairs maybe in the very first 15 days, so that I don't intervene in your mains preparation at all after that. Mains का content है आपके पास. Enrichment will close before December. You have Vajra classes done, everything done and dusted. PYQs you have solved. Test series आप दे ही रहे हो. Current affairs I will sort in within 15 days of your prelims के बाद वाला. Now you have everything for the mains preparation ready for the GS perspective. Just practice. There we will, I will make you join separate program mains boot camp. Daily 1 घंटे का आपका टेस्ट होगा. अलग रहता है, ज्वाइन करेंगे. डेली 1 घंटे टेस्ट लिखना है, 5 से 7, 5 से 6, 5 से 6, 5 से 5 से, है ना. फिर आप अपनी रैंक देखो. ठीक है, बट करो इतना, अभी थोड़ा लगाओ दम. ये 3 महीने में उतनी मेहनत करनी है जितनी मुझे इधर और इधर नहीं चाहिए. 2 तरीके के बच्चे होते हैं, फिर बता रहा हूं. एंड लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. 98% are those who give their best in February, March and April, and 2% are those they will give their very best or best, I will use the same word, best, in October, November and December, and they just continue this in Jan towards April. अभी क्या होता है बेटा, the mistake which 98% of the people do is they give their 100% in the last 3 months and they ignore these 3 months. These 3 months are more crucial than these 5 months. Let me very clear. अभी तो मैं रियलाइज नहीं होगा, बट जब मेंस लिखने से पहले डर लगेगा ना, सर यार मेरा प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो रहा है बट मेंस के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा, फॉर सम XYZ रीजन, जो मिस्टेक अभी कर सकते हो उसकी वजह से. ये गलती करनी ही नहीं है. मैं फिर बोल रहा हूं, इन 5 महीनों से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है ये 3 महीने. अगर इसमें सही गाइडेंस मिल गई ना और इसमें तुमने ढंग से कर लिया, काम हो जाएगा. एंड द बेस्ट वे इज अक्टूबर तक वाइंड अप L1 L2 ऑफ ऑप्शनल, वज्र ऑफ मेंस. दिस इज डन. देन नवंबर एंड दिसंबर जस्ट 2 hours डेली, 2 hours फॉर ऑप्शनल, 2-3 hours फॉर GS. राइट PYQs, देख के लिखो. 5 घंटे 6 घंटे सिर्फ PYQs लिखने हैं हमको, नवंबर दिसंबर. सेंस बना रहा हूं. अब वापस इस पे आते हैं. एक और मिस्टेक जो बहुत बच्चे करते हैं, बहुत बच्चे, इज दिस. नाउ दिस इज द न्यू विलन इन योर प्रिपरेशन. ठीक है, एक नया विलन है पिछले लास्ट 3 years से. दिस इज अ न्यू विलन, CSET. अब बेटा यू मे बी समटाइम ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आई एम फ्रॉम द इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, आई एम फ्रॉम XYZ, ये वो. मैंने IITians तक को फेल होते देखा है. दिस इज नॉट मैथ्स, दिस इज क्वांट और एप्टीट्यूड. Sometimes we mistake this with the maths or the SSC and banking का examination. हाँ, पूरी बहस पानी में चली जाती है. ठीक है, वो गलती नहीं करनी है. अब the mindset is CSET में I am giving you a thumb rule. Complete your CSET by January end to end. And when I say complete, your syllabus should be complete. Your 3 sections should be complete. LR, Quant, RC. All the topics should be complete. From February you have to जस्ट प्रैक्टिस 1 hour और मैक्सिमम 1.5 hours ऑन डेली बेसिस. क्या करना है, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस करनी है. और वो भी किस टाइम स्लॉट पे करनी है, जिस टाइम पे हमारा एग्जाम होगा. दिक्कत ये होती है बेटा, 80% ऑफ यू गेट स्विच्ड ऑफ बिटवीन 2:30 to 4:30. जब फाइनल एग्जाम हॉल में बैठते हो ना, योर CSET का एग्जाम इज बिटवीन 2:30 to 4:30. you get switched off out of some XYZ reason. So you have to train this brain that this has to be super active in the 2:30 to 3:30. So what practice we will make post January? 2 hours daily practice, or maybe at least 4 days or 5 days a week of practice in subsequent months from February onwards. Do I make sense? Please complete your CSAT by January end. Now, those are from the engineering background, you don't want to join any course, it's fine, completely fine. Start with the PYQs. Do not use any trick, do not use any what I can say the shortcut, no. Because those can be used after the exam hall. But when you're sitting in the exam hall, you can't use them. आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? एग्जाम के बाहर आके वो ट्रिक यूज करना बहुत आसान काम है, उस पर यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाना भी बहुत आसान काम है. यू गेट सफिशिएंट टाइम ऑफ 15 मिनट्स टू एनालाइज क्या करना है. बट एग्जाम हॉल में यू जस्ट हैव फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनट्स और व्हाट आई विल से द सेकंड्स टू सॉल्व इट. देयर कमिंग अप विद द ट्रिक और ऑल दो शॉर्टकट्स डोंट वर्क. ठीक है, सो प्लीज कंप्लीट CSAT with the concepts. Now very important, जनवरी, फरवरी एंड मार्च. अब थोड़ा अटेंशन बढ़ाएंगे आप लोग. Although I will post a video on this separately, but still I am giving an overview. वो वीडियो भी देख लेना प्लीज, उसमें I will be more detail, है ना. जनवरी, फरवरी एंड मार्च, these months, what should be the plan? If you are confident in prelims, start prelims from February after the notification. If you have failed maybe 2 times or 3 times in the past in the prelims, and prelims is a roadblock, start prelims from January onwards. Do not take risk, because if you are following this Brahmas until now, your mains is far better than your competitors. You won't realize it as of now, but you compare with your friends, you will realize it. Your mains, if you are following the verge, is far better than your competitors. कहीं से भी कर रहे हो, मैं गारंटी ले सकता हूँ. The summaries which you have, the preciseness which you have, the arguments which you have in your notes, unprecedented है, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, बस रिवाइज करना है, PYQs में सॉल्व करेंगे तो प्रैक्टिस भी हमारी सफिशिएंट हो जाती है. मुद्दा आ जाता है यहाँ पे. आई एम अज्यूमिंग वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग आवर प्रीलिम्स फ्रॉम जनवरी. अब एज ऑफ नाउ फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज वी आर मीटिंग? 2 days a week for Vajra. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Listen to me very carefully. We will be coming up with a prelims bootcamp batch. कौन सा बैच होगा? Prelims bootcamp. In prelims bootcamp, on these 3 days, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you will be again having the day long classes. फीस होगी नहीं होगी उस पर आता हूं, पहले सुन लो बैच क्या है. मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे. हाउ द क्लासेस विल बी शेड्यूल? वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इकोनॉमी. 2 जनवरी का देयर इज अ फर्स्ट क्लास फ्रॉम 2 जनवरी, इट्स फ्राइडे ऑफ इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, मंडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे वी आर मीटिंग. अब लेट्स से इफ वी आर मीटिंग ऑन एनी डे फॉर 8 hours, we will first of all study the subject. We will make the summaries, or I will give you the ready-made what I can say the summaries. I will try to integrate the current affairs as much as possible, or else the static portion. Comprehensive कुछ नहीं करना है इसके बाद में. Those are, is there anyone in the class who has done science and tech last year with me? So they can tell. ठीक है, they can tell the level of comprehensiveness we bring when we cover any subject. ठीक है, you don't need anything else absolutely. बस विश्वास रखना इसके ऊपर. ठीक है, अब 8 घंटे की क्लास होगी. Then 3 to 4 hours का, so 2 to 4 hours I will say, not 3 to 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours का, there will be live practice. Whatever I have taught, ध्यान सुना, whatever I have taught, from that only we will try to solve the questions. Up in the exam hall, do you think whatever you have studied will come directly in the exam? Hardly 40 questions will be there out of 100. I will repeat again. Give your 500%, then also hardly 40 questions will be there in the entire exam which you completely know. But are 40 questions sufficient to clear the cutoff? Never. 80 marks पे नहीं हो रही cutoff clear. अब the idea is there is an art of aptitude or the logic which we have to inbuilt. What will happen? In mid of this class, maybe I think 5 of January or something, date you will be announced, there will be a class of Trinetra. So me and Kuldeep take this class. Last year also we conducted this class of 6 to 7 hours, है ना. Trinetra is a class in which we teach you the art of solving the questions with the help of logic, aptitude. I am not saying elimination. Elimination means you eliminate the option. I am saying how to use the logic, how to use the questioning with the statements in order to select it or eliminate it. Logic कैसे use करेंगे हम लोग. Trinetra. What we will do, this is a single, 6 hours का session. Once we are done with this session, we will use this session and we will use the class to do live practice. Then you don't need anything. You are ready for the, what I can say, the subject. ठीक है. So whatever we have taught you in the class, plus whatever were the tools in the Trinetra, we will use them to solve the live practice. And this batch is prelims boot camp batch. ठीक है. अब a genuine question, sir, will there be a fees or not? This program, since this is compulsory for every one of you, this is compulsory for every one of you, the fees will be optional. Whatever you want to pay, you pay. There will be an open UPI. So, for example, if some of you don't have the paying capacity, you don't pay anything, it's fine. But the program is compulsory. But if you can pay anything, you will get an UPI, make the payment, send the screenshot to your mentor. They will mark your fees ka status and will share the receipt also. ठीक है? So this, since is mandatory, you may attain without fees also. Now it totally depends on your part, your ethics. ठीक है? चलो, है ना? ठीक है? This is mandatory, so I cannot keep a mandatory fee for this. The fee will be optional to everyone. ठीक है? Whatever is your ability, you pay. Otherwise, छोड़ो. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. अब अप्रैल मई की बात बाद में करेंगे. So this is the complete plan. What I am trying to make you ready is, बेटा, January and February, especially January, we are having 3 classes a day. That is what I am trying to convey. ठीक है? As of now, we are having 2 classes a day. From January, we will be having 3 classes a day. But once we are done with this syllabus by February, I mean, if you are starting from January, your syllabus will be completed by February. There will be 2 batches. I will float the Google form. You have to opt any one of them. Maybe you can start with the January ka batch, or you can start with the February ka batch. January, if you are starting, it will be completed by 3rd March or maybe 2nd March. If you are starting February, it will be completed by March end or maybe 4th April or 5 April. So 2 months ka batch is there. ठीक है? 3 days a week class होगी, and we'll complete the entire syllabus, live practice, त्रिनेत्र वगैरह सब करके done. कोई doubt अभी नहीं? ठीक है. चलो. Now let's start with the topic Indian society. Sorry, अप्रैल में I will discuss, don't worry. अभी तुम्हें ज्यादा पढ़ती है सर प्रीलिम्स का कैसे करें, प्रीलिम्स का कैसे करें, प्रीलिम्स का कैसे करें. अब देखो सुनो, let's say if you are left with any of the prelims का test, you will schedule your test here. If you are left with any of the mains का test, you will schedule your test here. So don't worry about the backlog, but give your test as of now also on time. If there is a backlog for any XYZ reason, then this is the second what is the line of action. ठीक है? हाँ, अभी ऐसे का मैं अलग से बताऊंगा, टेंशन मत लो. ऐसे का क्लासेस ऑल्सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिवाली के आसपास. सो देयर विल बी 6 क्लासेस. आई विल बी टेकिंग दोज क्लासेस. नाउ once we are done with those classes of essay, I will ask you to write 1 essay every Sunday. So how your Sunday will look like now? Once we are done with those 6 classes, how your Sunday will look like? Sunday में in the morning, let's say from 7 until 12, you will be giving your test. Whatsoever test is there, अपना टेस्ट दीजिए. नहीं देना तो आपकी मर्जी है, बट दे दो, अच्छी बात है. Post 12 until 7 or 8, maybe 8, you do your monthly magazine. This I have time and again conveyed. 1 hour daily current affairs newspaper करना है. हर Sunday second half में you have to do the monthly magazine. Every Sunday post test you have to invest it on the monthly magazine. अगर नहीं कर रहे तो अभी से स्टार्ट कर दो, इससे फिर बहुत लेट हो जाएगा. ईयरली पे जाओगे तो आराम से 2-3 क्वेश्चन आप पीछे कर लेते हो अपने आप को. Your brain has the limited capacity. You can't retain everything in 2 months or 1 month, है ना? So start monthly magazine. डिवोट संडे का दिस टाइम स्लॉट टू द मंथली मैगजीन, और दोज आर इन द आईसीए बैच यू कंटिन्यू जस्ट विद द क्लासेस, नथिंग एल्स, ठीक है। अब 12 to 8 हो गया। नाउ वी हैव द टाइम 8 to 11 this 8 to 11 we will write one essay once we are done with the essay classes, ठीक है। So on every Sunday this will be your schedule, एकदम sorted, once we are done with the essay classes. Once we are not done with the essay classes this will be your schedule, or maybe 12 to 11 it will be monthly magazine, ठीक है। Any doubt? Okay, और कुछ बचा आपका? ऐसे हो गया, और ठीक है, और बताओ। इकोनॉमिक्स का 2 ऑप्शन है, या तो अक्टूबर में करूंगा या फिर जनवरी में वाला कर लो, या फरवरी के एंड में आएगा, कोई भी बैच कर लेना, फॉर्म आ जाएंगे आपके पास अभी, ठीक है। और कुछ? अच्छा एक और चीज है, इन दिस बूट कैंप ओनली ना, फ्रॉम 15th of Feb अराउंड वी विल बी हैविंग समाधान सेशंस आल्सो, 5 सेशंस आई टेक एवरी ईयर ऑफ द करंट अफेयर्स, अगेन डे लॉन्ग सेशंस होंगे, दैट विल सॉर्ट योर प्रीलिम्स करंट अफेयर्स। बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप मंथली मैगजीन नहीं पढ़ोगे, आप कुछ करंट अफेयर्स स्किप करोगे। प्लीज गो along with your monthly magazine or the monthly current affairs, whatsoever institute you want to read, you read, I don't care, hardly it matters, ठीक है।